Please sit upright on your chair and become aware of the present moment, and be ready to welcome the here and now. If you'd like to, gently close your eyes and draw attention to your breathing. Now shift your awareness to the sounds around you. Don't search for sounds, simply let them come to you. Let the sounds flow into your ears and hear those that are near and also those that are far away. If you notice any judgments or thoughts about the sounds, just let go of them and let them pass. If you find yourself trying to identify or label the sounds, try and focus instead on simply hearing the sounds themselves. Be aware of sounds that arise and fade away. Notice if there are any spaces between sounds. If your mind wanders or fixates on one particular sound, try to return your attention to everything you can hear. Now shift your attention back to your breathing and gradually open your eyes if they were closed. Return to the outside world without losing touch to the qualities of mindful hearing.